professions and its values. So lahat ng itinuro sa inyo ng Philippine Advent College, dadalhin nyo yan pagka-graduate ninyo. This ceremony also represents your academic achievement throughout your 4 years in college. So, maghuna-huna sa sa 4 years, ano bang ginawa ko? Diba? Makikita nyo hard work, makikita nyo yung mga bonding nyo with your friends, with your classmates na naging close to mo. So, yung hardware at dedication na ibinahagi nyo this celebration para din sa inyong mga pamilya, para rin sa inyong mga faculty, or sa inyong mga instructor, sa inyong mga barkada, at sa inyong mga classmates. So, in closing, I want to leave you a message of hope and encouragement. Your journey doesn't end here. This is only the beginning. Totoo yan. Yung sinasabi nyo, "Hay, salamat, nag-graduate na jud ko. Hay, thank you, Lord." Dili pa na. This is just the beginning. You're entering the adulthood na no ending trabaho to provide for your family, for yourselves, and for your parents. Or eventually, magkakaroon na rin kayo ng asawa. So, sabi ko nga, kayo ang gagawa ng inyong tadhana as what I have done for myself. Magsumikap kayo para sa sarili nyo, para sa pamilya nyo. Maraming trabaho ang pwede nyong mapasukan kasi IT graduate kayo. Believe me, IT graduate kayo, flexible kayo in any job. Meron kayong special skills na natutunan ninyo. Meron ba? Oh, very good. So, this world really needs talented, driven, and passionate individuals like you to shape your future. Congratulations ahead. May your future be bright and be it filled with endless possibilities. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Engineer Janelle.